everyone, welcome to Closures in Python coding exercise. In Python, closure is nothing but a function object that remembers values in enclosing its scopes, even if it is not present in the memory. Using closures, we can avoid use of global variables and implement data hiding. In this tutorial, I am going to implement two types of closures. To start with, I'm going to first implement a function, say def test, and I'm going to initialize a variable and inside that I'm going to create one more function and just print the message, the variable that I have initialized at the start. And return my second function. Now I'm going to call my function by creating an object and call this function so you can see that we have successfully implemented a closure where we have defined a function inside a function and returned the value. There is another way to implement closure. To do so, I'm going to first create a function n and I'm going to multiply numbers now I'm going to call my function and print the value. So you can see that I am passing a value n that is equal to 8 and then calling this function and it should return the multiplication of x and n. So the result is 72. In this way, we can implement closures in Python. That's it from my side. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.